achieve the before and after look of this wig, I changed the color to dark brown with just a hair dye. I bleached the center part of my closure because I just wanted it looking natural without me having to add foundation or the powder whenever I wear. I use the Avon 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner with my Tressemen Conditioner to wash my wig in order to just make it look beautiful. I'll be using the Paris permanent hair dye to achieve the dark brown color I'm looking for. If you haven't seen my previous video on how I sew down this wig, please go check it out so that you'll be carried along on whatever I am doing here today. Go check it out and see how we started this work. I think it's to give you a better understanding of what I'm doing right here. But when you're using any product, make sure to read the instruction that comes with it carefully in order to avoid any trouble. Make sure you read the instruction to know what and what not to do. I have this hand glove that came with the product too. I had to put it on in order to avoid my hands from having hair dye stain or whatever. I had this dye splash on my table, just a little, but I cleaned it off and that was it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Patience Stylers. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Thank you for tuning into our platform where we learn, where we share, basically where we grow. Thank you for joining me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to dye your own hair, dye your own wig, whichever one you want to do. So right now I'm going to be showing you with this clip of this wig that I already started with in the other video. If you haven't seen it, please go check it out to see how I sew down this hair, this closure look. I already have my hair wet after being washed with shampoo and conditioner now, and I think it's okay to have your hair partly wet in order to help manage the amount of dye that goes into your hair. I've used this product on my own hair before now and it stayed up for a couple of months. It was kind of okay, so I was like, okay, let me try it on my wave and see how it comes out. Though the end result of this work did not actually come out 100% because I lost some dye while rinsing the hair, but I needed the tip to remain as a brown gold in color. I don't know if you get it. If you stay with me to the ending of this video, you're going to see the end look or the end result of what I was able to achieve with this dye. Please do wait to watch this video to the end and you will see the end result of what I achieved. As you can see in this video, the colors are already changing. It's already changing to dark brown. I don't know if you can actually see it very well, but the colors are changing already. So this is how fast this dye can actually give you the kind of color or what you want to achieve. Please, when applying your dye, ensure to work in session so that you can monitor where dye has touched or not. Don't just do everything at once. Do it to session out your hair just as you see me doing this video so that you can monitor every part of your hair if dye has touched it or not. I also colored the part of my closure that was over bleached with my bleach. I bleached the center part of my closure before, so some parts were over bleached, so I just toned it down with my hair dye. What I did was to use my fingertip and touch some area that were over bleached. So if you have any hair that is over bleached, you can basically apply the same method and you are good to go. So I lost some of the clips of this video, like where I started off with my Anain conditioner. I lost some of the clips in my phone. I don't know how come. Basically when I was done, I left this off for 1 hour or so. Yes, I needed it to activate like well enough, like to done everything basically. So that was it. So guys, thank you for staying with me in this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't wait to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Also comment and let me know what you think.